I literally have orange in my eyebrows. Why? Because I'm 23 years old and I'm a grown woman and I can do whatever I want. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm feeling all of the autumn vibes and all of the fall vibes. Although in India we have 3 seasons, right? It's summer, wet summer, and slightly less hot summer. So this is mostly the result of hours of YouTube. So if you're in the same boat as me, then leave a comment below saying you're bright orange too, so I don't feel alone. So anyway, today I'm sharing with you some bullet journal hacks, but it's not so much a tutorial as it is just me trying out all these really popular hacks for bullet journals and testing to see if they actually work. Because I find that a lot of the times these hacks need you to use like 17 different colored pens and 20 post-it notes, and that's not exactly a hack, is it? Like, it's more being extra, which, I mean, but honestly, I'm trying these hacks out to see if it actually makes our lives easier so you don't have to do it and waste everything. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to be wasteful on your behalf. So before we get into the video, please take a second to subscribe to this channel down below because I put out new videos every Thursday and I would love to see you on the next ones. And yeah, let's jump right in. So hack number 1 is the Dutch door. I know a lot of people enjoy doing this, where basically if you're running out of space on a spread, you take the page on the right and fold it in half, and then that way you can use that as an extra half page between the page on your left and then the next page on your right. I don't know if I'm explaining this very well, but you can see what I'm doing on the video. So you basically just fold the page, stick it together, or just keep it folded if you're lazy like I am. And you get an extra half page. Why you would do this is beyond me, because I just feel like it's so wasteful. You could just add in like a bunch of sticky notes or whatever if you're running out of space, or just plan better. But I mean, technically, I guess this hack works. Who would use it is beyond me, but yeah, it's successful, I guess. So for the second hack, you're going to need a piece of paper that will act as your key. So the very basis of bullet journaling is to have certain icons as signifiers for certain types of tasks. So basically you take a piece of paper, write down your icons on it, you hold it in the position it will look like when it's folded out, and then you just tape a piece of washi tape on the edge of it, I guess. Just to be extra safe, I like to tape both sides of it, so when you fold it over, I like to place another piece of washi tape here, just so it doesn't like rip off or anything. And then when you want to write down your tasks or plan out your week, this will fold out so you don't have to keep turning back to like a specific key page. I have used this in my bullet journals in the past. I still have one in my current bullet journal, but I find that I literally never use it. Like it will just lie there in my journal and do nothing. So I start out with good intentions, but I end up just never using it. So it works, but I'll probably never use it. So hack number 3 is something I've seen on Pinterest a lot, and it's about using a color code to kind of sort through your pages really quickly and not have to turn every single page to get to the one you want. And the way this works is that basically on a page that you want to mark off, you kind of color the outside edge of it so that when your notebook is closed, you can still kind of see the bit of color showing through, and that way you don't have to search for that specific page, because you can just look at it and open up to it. And again, in this case, a fold-out key would work. So here you can see me just coloring the edge of it with a combo. Okay, so I mean, I guess technically this works for the purpose it's intended for, so you can quickly turn to it. But a lot of the times the color will just bleed right through to the next couple of pages. And I mean, just use sticky tabs, you know. So hack number 4 is really simple. If you don't want to spend money on an expensive pen loop, which I don't know why anyone would, take this elastic band that comes on your notebook and you kind of twist it around the book so that it forms a little loop for your pen. And I mean, this is very simple and there is no way it couldn't work. Except that the pen goes everywhere. I tried this once, I put it in my bag, the lid stayed on and the pen was just like in another dimension, and it also leaves your elastic extra loose. So just get a pencil case. So hack number 5 is when you want to have a bunch of Post-its handy, but you don't really want to carry the little pack around. So they say you can just stick a whole bunch of Post-its on like the last page of your journal or something. But this only works if you use expensive brand name Post-its, because the glue on the cheap / affordable ones isn't really strong enough for it to sustain being ripped off and then stuck back in and then ripped off again, and just So my final hack for this video is this sticky tab meal plan thing. This is only for people who actually care about what they put in their body, so obviously it's not for me. But the way it works is that you take a whole bunch of sticky tabs and you put them on, and like, I guess you color code them, as in orange for breakfast, pink for lunch, yellow for dinner, green for desserts or whatever. And you write on top of it what you intend to eat or prepare for the day or the week. And when you're done with the day or the week, you just like rip it off and you have an untouched sticky tab under it. Yeah, this is great if it comes in like packs of individual colors, because when you have something like this, which is like an easy pull thing, it's going to take you 100 years to actually prepare this. And also, it is such a waste, because if you want a single page to act reusable, why not just use a whiteboard? I mean, all I'm going to say is Obama wouldn't treat me this way. there you go, guys. Those are some bullet journal hacks that worked and some that didn't. And hopefully now you have an idea of what actually helps your life and what doesn't really. And it's just people being extra with their bullet journal, which I totally support. But if you're looking for hacks, you kind of want your life to be slightly easier. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And again, please take a second to subscribe down below, because I make new videos every single Thursday. And if you like this video, if you want me to try more hacks, then leave it a thumbs up so I know you want to see more of this. And if you have any hacks that you've seen around that you want me to try out for you, then just leave me a comment below and I will make sure to include it in any future bullet journal hacks videos. So there you go. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. You know, I love spending time with you every day, every week on here, but every day on my Instagram, which, by the way, I'll leave all my social links below. I update those every single day. So if you're interested in having more conversations with me about being bright orange and being an Oompa Loompa and being Donald Trump, then leave me a message, a DM, slide into my DMs, leave me a tweet, an Instagram comment, whatever you want. I would love to speak with you. So yeah, anyway, that was a lot. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I love spending time with you, and I will see you again next Thursday. Bye.